Mana manyinya alta wuri. Maninga kuma do valboga wuri. What problem was? Jamalo, how I'm going to erase this memory card from the mind? Problem. So Islam will bring daroke momo ayeke dulale. Allah bring daroke. So nature ala yesoton de dami wo decho le ka dictator ke itebe pare la nyame ma muslim wala pare nya fenno mi ya lon ko qur'ano ni sunno ya landile qur'ano ko kila ko qul lil mu'minina ayo fen ko to bare musol ta qul lil mu'minati yudnina alayhinna min jalabibihin. This is called the multi-million, multi-billion verse of the Quran. Multi-billion verse of the Quran. قل للمؤمنات يدنين سبحان الله أما فايكو يلبسنا ولا يلبسنا to don kadendi kodum to put on balako yudnina dana. Look at this way of phrasing a commandment. Ako afo muslime musoli ko ye dendi kodum min kada oversize oti. Kalimatu dana is to go near. If something is near your body, it is not on your body. It is not going to show your shape and your fashion. Allahu Akbar. Near oversize odun dendiko. Hani fonyo feta buke balula shape bon. Walatinna akoyudunina bima'ana dana. To get near to their body, but not to make it tight to their body. So the word dana is the key to that multi-billion controversy hovering over humanity. I think even in biology you are not advised. Your muscles are dying. Musol Allah cervix soul. It helps the uterus. Allah I can't fall. So, I mean, this is biologically even harmful. Fendetarindo. Mojumo alala ko akwe dendi kairi wari wodun ama kana kate balola. Hijabo akana transparent dendi kawo dendi kaketa oversize woti. Aman transparent dami nyanta mula la aya mula dolong ita mari da hata. Nko nyinkam kat nature you sometimes I use the book of nature to authenticate the book of revealed book of Allah. Alta fali muso jubi saji muso nyankuma muso yiri muso lolu kilim wa kilim beyon muso le tiyo kasiya keti yiro minka wulu atele jambo kasiya yiro min bukawu. Nature itself supplies the evidence. Malum fali amwe bar janembe kumo fanan sura na musol ala kata synthetic continuum aliyabula. Ali continuo bula mem manki al continuoti. That continuo is radioactive. Abe faren gimbale la tep. Kila ko la'ana al-wasila la'ana Allahu al-wasila wal mustawsil. Dimbale ba kono ekake continuo bala natural continuo. Akamunta ko niye courant positive negative ko nyom bala there is always a light and that light will burn you. Wala tinna Gambia muso continuo be kuntuta. And you are just inviting all the necessary conducive factors to create brain cancer for you yourself. I'll be brain cancer to an almabul. Dimbalo. This is not out of the blue. This is not out of the textbook education. This is out of a textbook of unbeaten track of college education. It's the Quran and the Sunnah. Kila kwe fonvem pula doron laana toro biji Quran wala biji. Ali nin kuntiñol bula ali he salo bula he salo ka basi bole ke ala e sojaro le ke balo koto de melanocytes under the dermis, isn't it? Dermis or koto there is an enzyme or name it a protein. The concentration and the flow of this melanocyte is called melanin. Wala ke la kola ke is the yellow to the red and it's the black to the brown. Allah they call a dealer. I alone you are black. Because black collar absorbs every color and releases none. Black collar deflects the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Balu Hesal, you are inviting cancer, skin cancer. You are inviting killing your immunity system. You are even inviting to become somebody who will never deliver a child. Allah tuje. These are facts we need to know. Ale fendita din dungo tuje. Kambanolu al kupeke ali al balo bonyonto bari al kana kupeke obsession woti. Ali angalela timo ligo belong. Bari alma hane Gambia West up Gambia fongola al kalul ni heroes ol mintam bede jang almir. Ali molu belong mimbe tubabu du. Par kira al sahabi radiyallahu anhum alma molay kon. Hanal fongola kontal kon almal kotol nal al dul. Son sakata fengo fe yalon kon be dunia balwo min kono. There is a class of cultures and civilization. Miro le be kelekan sign. Dominant culture wala be molu maral. America wala globalization wolom ilafta Islam mo fon Americanized la. Alsal hakilo tuje. Al karamo ke nyin kamala ka londo soto. Ibuka karamo ke because of karamo. Eka karamo ke ka tonya long. Eka karamo ke pour ka bodi bo kono. Eka karamo ke pour ke for improve. Eka karamo ke ka society teda. Eka karamo ke to become a good citizen. Eka karamo ke to become a perfect Muslim. Halama alayhi bi ma koy. Wa sallallahu ala Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. Halama alayhi bi ma koy mbeke ko mo kendo moylati. Men se ko tentula baki ay kumol mem fay kumo kan. Nko karan nate banna lundi tiete banna momo ila kota ke doron. Men na teacher kendol be kontonda. Not that we are teaching, but we are reminding, not to be expected to be rewarded, but to be given the due recognition. That's all what we want. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.